What if screen time got kids moving while learning? In 2025, these 4 interactive tech toys blend active play with smart learning. Today we're putting them head-to-head for families, playdates, and parties. We tested setup time, motion tracking, learning value, and pure fun. Safety first, kid-safe UIs, no camera modes, and soft, durable parts. Age ranges from preschool to pre-teens with easy difficulty settings. Category preview, motion cubes, camera-free trackers, AR mini-games, and team party sets. By the end, you'll know the best pick for your kid and your budget, plus who each is for: energetic learners, budding coders, or sibling co-op fun. This is the ultimate no BS guide to smart games for active play. You're probably wondering which one actually keeps kids engaged without the hassle. Wrong to think they're all the same. Tracking quality and learning depth vary a lot. The gap between gimmicky and genuinely good is night and day. Here's how we tested. 1 week of family play, quick setup checks, motion accuracy trials, safety review, and fun factor scoring. Stick around for rankings and quick picks for every age. Kicking off at number 4, GAN 356 iCarry 2, a smart magnetic 3x3 that links to the Cube Station app for battles, lessons, and timers. The UV-coated finish looks slick and shrugs off scratches from daily solves. Battery life, up to 700 hours on a simple CR203 cell, no charging cable needed. Developed with SpeedCube Legends, the turning is fast, stable, and confidence-boosting. Perfect for kids leveling up, teens competing online, or collectors wanting the anniversary edition. Trade-offs. Online features need the app, and it won't solve itself for you. For skill-building fun that feels pro, it's a fantastic pick. Number 3, EX Mars, the AI robot cube that teaches as you play. Hit scramble, watch it mix itself, then get step-by-step hints to solve. Prefer a show and learn? Trigger a self-solve and study every turn. Built-in timer, 2-2 and 3-3 modes, plus wild challenges like half-blind and blind. It's a brilliant STEM toy, problem-solving, memory and dexterity all in one. No app required, though guides are available if you want more. Heads up, keep it charged, and remember the self-solve is a coach, not a shortcut. For curious minds who love how it works, XMars is pure delight. At number 2, LeapFrog LeapMove, where kids become the controller. Jump, flap, and reach to explore letters, phonics, numbers, and word building. 25 games are preloaded, with 3 learning levels that grow with your child. Setup is easy. HDMI to the TV, USB for power, and you're playing. Designed for ages 4 to 7, it turns living rooms into lively classrooms. Parents can download more games later to keep skills fresh. Trade-offs. Graphics are simple, because the focus is learning through movement. For preschoolers and kindergartners, LeapMove is a magical head start. Core skills covered: math, spelling, and phonics. Movement powers the play. Jump, reach, and celebrate wins. Friendly menus use big icons. Kids can navigate. 3 levels keep the challenge just right as they grow. Quick setup in minutes, no fuss. USB power from your TV or a wall adapter. Big on-screen letters and numbers make learning clear. Parents can guide gently beside the action. Bright, safe colors and calm prompts keep it welcoming. It's a standout gift for preschool and kindergarten milestones. Turn the living room into a lively classroom. No desk required. With 25 games, variety stays high all week. Add more when ready, download, and keep the learning fresh. Ages 4 to 7 is the sweet spot for LeapMove. Reminder: the visuals are simpler. The magic is in the movement and skills. For active learning at home, LeapMove earns our number 2 spot. LeapFrog LeapMove. Play, learn, and move together. Your number 1. Next Playground, the active play console for the whole family. No controllers, just move your body. The built-in wide-angle camera tracks natural motion for up to 4 players. 5 hits are included: Fruit Ninja and Starry, plus Whack-A-Mole, Go-Keeper, and Party Foul. Want more? PlayPass adds a growing library with kid-favorite worlds each month. 3-month $49 or 12-month $89 unlocks the full catalog. Setup is instant. HDMI to your TV, small footprint on any shelf. It's backpack-friendly. Perfect for playdates and trips. Parents, breathe easy. Kids Safe plus COPPA certified. No ads, no in-app purchases. Motion data stays on the device. Nothing sent to the cloud. It's perfect for game night, rainy day energy bursts, and party laughs. Up to 4 players share one screen. Split screen and co-op mini-games keep everyone moving. Simple menus kids can navigate, no fuss. Works in small spaces thanks to the wide-angle view. Quick to charge, quick to play. Plug in HDMI, and you're moving. Bonus fun. Photo moments and music-driven challenges keep sessions fresh. Only trade-off, full catalog needs a subscription. For most families, it's absolutely worth it. Rapid-fire recap. Top 4 smart games for active play in 2025. Number 4, Jan 356 iCarry 2, pro-feeling smart cube with epic battery and online battles. Number 3, EX Mars AI Robot Cube, self-scramble, teach as you go, and brain-boosting challenges. Number 2, LeapFrog. LeapMove, ages 4 to 7, move to learn phonics, math, and spelling. Number 1, Next Playground, controller-free, 4-player motion fun with a growing game library. If this helped, tap like and subscribe. Links below for current pricing and details.